I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super at 60. Today I'm going to share with you some of the most delicious muffins. And now you might just go, ooh, when you hear one of the ingredients. Okay, just one, but oh, stay with me because I'm telling you, at the end, when all of these flavors mesh together and you see that beautiful little muffin sitting in your hand, you're going to want to take one huge bite, and then you're going to want to take another and another until all you have left is that little piece of paper that you need to throw away. I'm telling you, that's how good they are. Yep, today, pumpkin chocolate chip bacon muffins. I'm not even kidding you. Guys, you're in for a treat. Here we have 2 eggs. Yep, we're going to just put those right in. Right, and then I'm going to add some pumpkin puree. That's what you're looking for. You hear a lot of people say that this time of year, but we are just so fearful that you guys are going to come home with a can of pumpkin pie mix, and then we got trouble. Okay, it will just make it, I mean, everything that you're putting in here, all the extra spices and the sugars and all that, you'll just like double it. And it won't work. It just doesn't work, okay? All right, let's go ahead and whisk that up just a little bit. Oh, that pumpkin. It's just nothing like pumpkin. I just had to make at least one more pumpkin spice thing. Just at least one more. I've made several of them for you. All right, I'm gonna add some coconut oil. The whole recipe, the entire recipe will be below for you. So don't worry about it. Don't think I forgot. Because I never forget. You guys know that. All right, and just keep kind of whisking it up. We may not even need my electric beater over here. I may not even need it today. I don't know. You never know sometimes. All right, and then you need 2 different kinds of sugars. Okay, and I got them right here. Now, I have a brown sugar, half cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar, but this is no ordinary white sugar, and I'm going to tell you why right now. All right, here is my beautiful vanilla sugar I was just telling you about. It is in a 1-quart jar. I only put about 2, maybe 3 cups of sugar in there. Look, way down at the bottom here, you can see the vanilla beans. That's what that is. Those are vanilla beans, and they are just flavoring up that beautiful vanilla sugar. I did it in September. I just put a nice little plastic top on here. You can see. Oh, I wish that you could smell this because it is incredible. Oh, just opening the top. So the vanilla that this particular recipe calls for, I'm not even putting it in because the vanilla is so rich. And then I saved 1 pod or 1 bean, and I put it right on the top there and put my lid right back on until the next time I want to make some vanilla sugar and use it in my recipe like today. And we'll put this right in. Oh my goodness, I just got a whiff of the chocolate and the bacon. I did. Oh, you are just gonna love this. Whoops, now you stay out of there. All right, there we go. And just keep whisking them around. If you want to use your mixer, if you feel safer doing that, that's just fine. You know, if you want to sneak a little bit of maple extract in here or pure maple syrup in here, that'd be just fine too. But my whisk is falling apart right here. Right as I'm making a video, it's falling apart. All right, that's perfect. All right, now let's go to the dry stuff, okay? Here is my flour. I think it's about 1.5 cups of flour, but I'll put that down below. I am doing only half of the recipe again today. The full recipe will be down below for you guys. In here, I have baking soda, baking powder, salt, and pumpkin spice seasoning. All right, I'm just gonna give that a quick little stir here. Yep. All right, and we'll just dump that right in. Perfect. Oops. All right, let's get this in there. Whoops. That is looking pretty darn good, I'd say, but the best is yet to come. I'm gonna take some nice dark chocolate chips. Now I do have, you'll notice There are a few little white chocolate chips that got in here somehow. Excuse me, that was so good. I just had to. Look at that. Whoops. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? It smells so good. All right, just turn them over so they're just well incorporated in there. Oh, these are gonna be perfect. And then, guess what's going in? Yep, look how finely chopped that is. You don't want any big pieces of bacon, but you don't want bacon dust either, okay? You wanna just chop it up till it's really fine. See, kind of like that little piece right there? You know, nice and crispy, that's what we're looking for. 3 of my favorite flavors are in here: pumpkin, chocolate, and bacon. Come on, you have to admit it. They're yours too. All right, you know what? I'm gonna use my brand new birthday muffin pan. Well, those muffins are out of the oven and my house smells like $1,000,000. It's incredible in here. I cannot wait for Lou to walk through that door in about a half an hour. He's gonna know something special went on in here today. Well, I should say so. Look what I have, and look at the pretty sparkles. I told you that stuff, that special sugar that I bought at Ollie's, like what, 5 or 6 bottles of them. Look how beautiful. I mean, that's the difference between a muffin, you want a muffin, and hey, you want a muffin? Whoa, look what I got for you. They're beautiful. They're just beautiful. Okay, now I know what you're waiting for. You want me to taste it. You're curious about that bacon and chocolate, aren't you? Okay, here I go. I'm excited. Okay, well, if I don't get bacon like in the first bite, I'm gonna have to eat more. Oh, okay. Oh, I got bacon. Oh my. I got bacon. I got the chocolate. Oh my gracious. That is unbelievable. Okay, you know I never take a second bite. You just know that. But I'm a slurping it. You gotta know. But that was insane. Those muffins are insane. They're so delicious. Yet, that bacon flavor, it's like that smoky bacon flavor, is so mild. It is so mild. For the amount that I gave today, you know, if you just cut the recipe in half, you'll need about, now finely chopped, cooked up bacon, nice and crispy. You'll need about a cup. I think I did about a cup, yeah. But I think you'll need a little bit more if you do the full recipe. The full recipe will yield you 2 muffin pans, 24 beautiful cupcakes, if that's what you're after. Well, thank you for joining me today. This was so much fun. I love muffins. I love muffins, and I particularly love muffins. That sparkle, look at the sparkle. That makes me happy. I like sparkly things. Yes, I do. All right. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you liked the content today, I would just love for you to press that like button. It really helps a small channel like mine. Leave me a comment below and say, you know what? Yeah, I think I could do the bacon and the chocolate, or I'm not going down that road, no way. Let me know. You guys are hilarious and you make me laugh. Your comments are so cute and so funny and so wonderful and so honest. Very honest, and I love that about each and every one of you. I'm gonna go now because I gotta get my husband's dinner ready, but thank you for joining me on Darlene. This is Super at 60. Bye now, and Lord bless.